The Canadian Snowbird Visa Act is a bill that's being introduced to the United States Congress by representatives from New York, Florida, and Arizona in direct response to the dramatic decrease of Canadian tourists to the United States. This bill will allow Canadians to stay in the United States longer than the normal 6-month period that they are given when they cross the border from Canada. To qualify, you have to be Canadian, you have to be age 50 or older, you have to have a residence in Canada, and you have to have either a lease or own property in the United States. If you have all of these criterias met, you're allowed to stay in the United States for more than 6 months, up to 8 months. I don't think that they realize that when you stay in the United States longer than 180 days, you can be subject to U.S. tax law, and that's actually a big reason why Canadians won't stay the exact 180 days in the United States. This bill is supposed to entice Canadians to not only come to the U.S., but stay longer than the 6 month, but they'll be subject to tax implications. And going through the process of traveling to the United States is really scary for a lot of people with all the stories that are going out. And I guess it's affecting the areas that typically have the most Canadian tourists, and they're trying to do something about it. But who knows if the Canadians would even take advantage of this type of act. Plus, it doesn't give them permanent residency. It only allows them to stay here longer on a B2 status.